In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find leads on Pipedrive. If you're using Pipedrive to manage your sales process, being able to quickly find the right leads is essential. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple, efficient way to locate leads with the minimum number of clicks, so you can spend less time searching and more time selling. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account and looking at the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a vertical sidebar with several icons. At the very top of that sidebar is the Leads icon. Go ahead and click that. This is your main hub for everything related to incoming and ongoing leads. Once you're here, you'll see a list or table of your current leads along with key details about each one. Now, if you already know exactly who or what you're looking for, the fastest way to find a specific lead is by using the search bar. Look toward the top right corner of the screen and you'll see the search field. Click into that bar and start typing the name of the lead you want to locate. This could be a person's name, a company name, or any identifying text that you know is associated with that lead. As you type, Pipedrive will start narrowing down the list and show you matching results. This is especially helpful if you have a large number of leads and don't want to scroll through pages of entries. But what if you're not looking for one exact name, and instead you want to work with a specific group of leads? That's where filters come in. Right next to the search bar, still in the top right area, you'll see the filter button. Click this to open up your filtering options. Here, you can view leads by source, owner, or label. Filtering by source lets you see where your leads are coming from, such as web forms, events, or other channels you've set up. This is great for focusing on a particular campaign or acquisition channel. Filtering by owner allows you to see leads assigned to a specific team member, which is useful for managers or when you want to review your own pipeline. Filtering by label helps you group leads by their status or category, such as hot, warm, cold, or any custom labels you've created. Once you've selected your filter options, Pipedrive will instantly update the list so you're only seeing the leads that match your criteria. From there, you can dive in, follow up, and move them through your pipeline more efficiently.